Here at the Almond Board of California, we're proud to introduce the newly redesigned almonds.com, where we can grow and nurture the future of California almonds with a fresh new look that's both beautiful and functional. When we designed almonds.com, we made it with the industry for the industry to continue our mission of making life better by what we grow and how we grow. With input from the industry, we've simplified and optimized the site, breaking it down into 4 main sections. Our new Why Almonds section tells our sustainability story, explains almond health benefits, and more. But we have everything you'll need to grow under Almond Industry and Tools and Resources, where we've centralized and organized all of your essential grower documents, videos, and links. About Us highlights what we do, why we do it, and who's behind the scenes working on your behalf. Our search bar puts all the site's info at your fingertips. Using our unique technology to get you where you need to go, you'll find industry news, research, and more. The Almond Industry Tab has a robust orchard management section, packed full of tips and tools on how to get the most out of your crop. We've compiled all the information you need to apply good agricultural practices, optimize your irrigation and nutrient management, and ensure a successful harvest. We even have a section dedicated to establishing new orchards. Simply click on the Tools and Resources tab to find the crop reports. From USDA's annual objective report to the Almond Board's monthly position report to Land IQ's spatial acreage maps, the crop reports page has all the latest data you need to stay up to date on industry trends. We've also designed a dashboard of key numbers from the most recent position report, with everything from crop receipts to domestic global shipments to keep market data constantly at your fingertips. The Almond Industry tab is where you can find our new industry news section. This is your go-to hub for all timely industry production, marketing, and research information. From tips on adjusting your irrigation to match current weather patterns, to updates on ABC's marketing efforts across the globe, this news will help guide your growing journey. This page also links to an online version of the industry's print publication, How We Grow. Scroll to the bottom to subscribe to our new industry news and receive automatic updates in your inbox. Info on our research database can be found under the Almond Industry tab, or for a direct link under Tools and Resources. On this page, you can take a deep dive into research on production practices, human health and nutrition, food quality and safety, and more. The Tools and Resources section includes our industry directory, where you can quickly connect with over 1,000 industry professionals, from irrigation companies and beekeepers to government organizations and universities. And to stay even more connected, be sure to bookmark our Programs and Events page in the About Us section for a calendar of upcoming events and ways to get involved in the Almond Board. Have you ever wondered who on the Almond Board is working hard on your behalf? Our Meet the Board and Staff page lets you get to know fellow industry members and board employees who serve our passionate community day in and day out. We invite you to click through and explore the newly redesigned almonds.com.